The world of manufacturing is experiencing unprecedented levels of change. The products we use today are more complex than ever. Their design, form, function, even the materials used are constantly evolving, placing greater demands on the manufacturers that produce them. Manufacturers must find new ways to maximize productivity from their existing CNC machinery. To maintain a competitive edge, they should also be able to exploit the full capabilities of the latest hardware and manufacturing processes. High-speed, multi-access CNC machine tools capable of delivering additive, subtractive or hybrid processes offer new manufacturing capabilities and dramatic productivity gains. However, the full potential of these machines cannot be realized without equally capable advanced CAM software. This is why so many of the world's most successful manufacturers rely on Autodesk Powermill. Powermill excels in creating high-quality NC machine coding to make amazing parts. Its comprehensive suite of programming tools is specifically designed to help manufacturers meet the demanding requirements in industries such as mold and die, aerospace, automotive and medical. Offering unrivaled levels of choice, control and optimization, Powermill helps manufacturers produce the most complex parts, achieving exceptional levels of precision and surface finish. Powerful automation and simulation tools allow engineering teams to increase productivity, reduce running costs and drive the overall efficiency of their business. Whether you're driving a 3-axis mill, a 5-axis hybrid machine or the latest generation of industrial robots, Powermill gives your business the tools it needs to solve its toughest manufacturing challenges today and tomorrow.